Make some fried garlic at home.
Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. I have a very nice sekpan, grouper, giant grouper here. This is probably about it's a half fish head taken out from a 3 kg grouper. And what I did was I requested the seller to leave few inches of meat here so that my family can eat the meat and Appa can enjoy the collagen inside the fish head because my family doesn't eat the fish head. Yeah. So what you do here is after washing the fish, you probably make a slit on the thicker part of the fish. Then we can actually sprinkle with a little bit of salt. Put a few pieces of ginger on top and send it to the steamer to steam it for approximately 10 to 12 minutes. This is quite a large fish head here. The meat is this thick, so it probably will take a little bit while. So let's quickly make a sauce, steamed fish sauce. I have 1 bowl of hot water here, about 1 to 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce to start with, and I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. It will give it some umami flavor. A bit of Cooking Appa chicken stock powder. So immediately this becomes a chicken stock. Few dashes of Appa's favorite Vietnamese premium fish sauce. A bit of salt. A bit of sugar. Few dashes of white pepper. Then just make sure everything is nicely dissolved, especially the salt and also sugar. You can also cook it under the on the stove. That will be even faster. I'm using hot water here, and we are going to top it off with some garlic oil. So our steamed fish sauce is ready, and later we were going to put in some garnish with ginger, chili slices, and also some fresh coriander. So the fish is ready. Wow, beautiful. Look at the fishy water. We don't want all this fishy water. They are the source of fishiness. So I'm going to take the fish out and put it onto the serving plate. Alright, so here's our steamed grouper with a lot of collagen inside here. So the first thing is you pour over the steamed fish sauce on top. If you prefer darker color, you can put some dark soy sauce. I'm going to put in some ginger slices, some red chili slices, and some fresh coriander. We're going to give it some fried garlic as well. Appa always make some fried garlic at home. Last but not least, few dashes of white pepper. At the restaurant, at this particular stage, right before serving, they will actually heat up some hot oil and pour over this. So to me, that is optional, up to you. But if you do that, it will bring out the fragrance or aroma from the ginger, chili, and also coriander. Alright, so here's my very simple family dinner today within about 15 minutes. If you like my video, do share my video out on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.